Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change server on CookieRun. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first is to open CookieRun Kingdom. Next is to go to Settings, tap on the menu icon, usually at the top right corner, and select Settings. In the account section, tap on Logout to confirm that you want to log out, and this will bring you back to the main title screen. After logging out, the game will ask you to log in again. You can either choose a different login method like Google, Apple ID, Facebook, or anything. Create a new account if you don't have another one. Once you log in with a new or different account, the game will prompt you to select a server. So choose a different server like Pure Vanilla, Holy Berry, Dark Cacao, or any newly available server. After selecting the new server, you will begin the game as a new player on that server. You cannot transfer your progress from one server to another. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!